how we're gonna replace this rubber seal here, because, well, obviously you guys can see is burned to a crisp. So the idea is to remove it, and hopefully we don't leave any residue or anything, because the new one actually had come with a double sticky tape. And I don't know if you guys can noticing this, but right here you guys can see how like stuck it is and it's glue. So yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do that. I guess it's my first time, but I hope I'm gonna be able to do that. So let's get to it. The first thing is to grab this corner right here with this little plasticky pry tool, and then see if we can be able to just work it out like, I guess like that, so we can be able to grab and then pull it out. Okay, so you guys need to remember, you need to grab and twist. Okay, one side is good. Now it's time to work this top side. Just work your way around. Boy, this is horrible. I have so many little pieces that this is unreal. Let me show you. Like this is still there. This didn't come out at all. I have these pieces there. I have this one here. Oh my gosh, this is still here. And from the new one, I can tell that there is a double stick tape right here. So I'm gonna have to see how we're gonna do that. Then this guy here, I don't even know why it's stuck like that so much. I don't know if that's like a double stick tape on the back or is it not. Seems kind of glued to me. So yeah. And then the other side, it's just same situation. There's pieces that keep going down. You have these pieces here, but essentially same thing. The side, it seems like it's still glued to it. So now the fun part is to clean all of it. So I'm gonna use this little pry tool, the plastic one, and see if we can remove all of that. And at the same time I'm gonna use the vacuum so we can remove all of this debris. So we need to make sure that everything gets clean as a whistle. So let's do it. It took me a little bit to figure out a way how, you know, to clean up all of the gunk or all the old glue. So let me show you, you know, how everything looks now. So you guys can see, you know, how clean it is and everything. So now we need to do the same thing. So for the purpose, I used the Windex and I found this brush. It's a plastic brush, so it's not any, you know, it's not hard on the paint or anything. It's just a plastic brush. And then I use this guy to, you know, just to move it around and pick, you know, the hardest parts where it needs to be picked. And then after that, wherever debris is left, I'll just vacuum it. So let me show you how I'm gonna do the rest of it, so you guys can have an idea, you know, how much time and effort you guys are gonna spend on it. Okay guys, I want to show you this because there is really not some kind of a big trick on it. So to be able to remove this glue, the old glue, just basically, you know, grab a rack, you know, you guys can see it's a dry. If you guys want to do it wet, you guys can try, but basically, you know, I just push as hard as I can and then, you know, just keep pushing it, keep working it basically. So keep work it, you know, just push down. I'm noticing if I push it with the corner of the rack, it works even better. So yeah, basically some old elbow grease and just work it out just slowly, you know, just like that, and eventually it will come out. everything is nice and clean, but I want to show you something real quick. The purpose why we've got this bad boy instead of a different bad boy. That is this reason right here. Well, what do you guys think? I mean, this is a pretty bad boy right there. Yeah, buddy. Can't lie. Pretty bad boy right there. Okay, I'm gonna wrap this in black. So when you guys see that, don't freak out. I'm not gonna show you this in this video. I'm gonna have different videos, you know, for wrapping, you know, the hood or like this stuff right here, you know, installing the pins, you know, all of that. But in this video, I'm gonna show you, you know, how we're gonna change this rubber seal right here. But like I said, I'm gonna first wrap it. It's gonna be a lot more easier instead of trying to tuck the wrap underneath that. So let's do that real quick. First, we need to do the magic trick, and you know what I'm talking about. And 3, 2, 1, boom. So let me show you guys real quick what am I talking about, because it took me a little bit, but I finally did it. So let me show you. Everything is wrapped up and it's all good. So now it's time for final step. Again, make sure everything is clean here, you know. So now here comes the tricky part. So I have these little tabs right here. Make sure you don't tuck them underneath, because we're gonna use them to pull this protection tape. So we can see. So when we pull that out, then you will get the sticky tape underneath it. So you know, don't remove that until the end. So let me show you now what's the plan. So we need to work it out, you know, slowly all the way around and across. And basically, you just need to start from one of the corners, you know, right here. So that corner is gonna be your it's gonna be telltale sign, I believe that's what you call it. But this is where, you know, corner don't move. This side here can, I guess, move up and right, but this side is not moving. So make sure you start from the corner and work your way around. And the way how we're gonna get it, it's like 45 degree and just stick it in, tuck it in, I guess. You guys see what I'm talking about now? So it's right here. I guess maybe I just need to start with one of the corners. Do my thing. There you go. See that? I'll get you up close, show you what. Man, this corner here. Corner here is gonna be a tricky one. There you go. So work your way around. Just get the front in first, and then the bottom one will follow. As soon as when you get it, I guess properly. Might get a little bit of a soap, just for a little bit, just a little bit, not a lot, because you know we can put that on the corner, but not, you know, where the sticky tape is. There we go. So you need to pull at the same time. Pull and push. Bro, it's tight. It is tight. So you guys gonna need something like that, or something just to pry it, you know. You're gonna push it all the way in. Maybe something where it's not that bent. That'll work too, you know. Something flat, and then you can just twist. It needs to go all the way in. Now for me it's gonna be easy because this is a convertible. But yeah, if you guys have hardtop, yeah, you're gonna have to, you know, do your best from the front. Hopefully this will work out. Okay, then again, QA. Maybe we have to push it in the back. Maybe these two. Maybe I'm doing it wrong. Maybe I'm supposed to get this slide in. I don't see again how we'll slide in. Maybe I'm expecting to get more in and it's actually getting enough. I don't know. I don't know if there's a window guys there. Oh, I see. This is a trick right here. Okay guys, I think I got it. I think I figured it out. So Yep, see that? That's what we're looking for, right there. This side, same thing. Probably need to undo the other side. See, yeah, yep, just like that. Now I believe I can use this guy right here. Just work your way around. Make sure everything gets all the way in, because it is not coming back. As soon as we remove this guy here, it's not coming back. So I think this side is good. So now I just need to work my way around. Slowly work your way. So I'm taking this out because of this corner right here. I want to get a flat corner like that side. So okay, right here. There you go. This is some tricky stuff, because yeah, you have to be very careful. You don't want to crack this window, because then all of that is for nothing. Then your window guy is going to put it in. When he charged you $1,000 plus labor, you know, to install a brand new window. So be careful. Okay, so now get into the corner. There you go, guys. Not gonna lie, I had to break a sweat on this one. I was thinking it's gonna be easy peasy, but no, it's not. Okay, just work your way around. Make sure you have everything snugged in. And don't worry, guys, I'm gonna show you as soon as when I get everything squared away. So this rubbery thing needs to be underneath. My understanding. I think so. Maybe I'm wrong. Remember, mine was underneath that. Why would you want to sink the water underneath this gasket here? The entire idea of this gasket here is to catch the water. Guess it is like that. So the gasket needs to be on the top, not on the bottom. And I'm going to show you what I'm talking about and which gasket. Yeah, it's kind of weird. I don't know why it's like that. I'm pretty sure there's a lot more smarter people than me, and they can let me know down in the comments. Yeah, make sure tip this all the way in so it kind of stays there. Okay, I think I got it. I think I finally got it set up. This one here is kind of fighting me, but as soon as we get this glued in, you'll not move. So let me show it. Okay, guys, so check this out. So this gasket that I'm talking about, that one needs to be on the top, then right underneath we have this, hope you guys can see, this little blue tab is right there. That's gonna remove protection so you can get the sticky tape. This guy here, same thing. And then the other side, show you. The other side you have this blue guy. You see that boom right there. So I'm gonna basically grab that, peel it like that. But now I'm gonna grab my little tool, push like that, and then stick it. Push. I'm gonna be able to get it with one hand, but so that this, the sticky tape is gonna prevent this to pull out. And then just move it all the way. And now again, work your way around. Make sure everything is nice and glue. Stick all together so nothing is coming out. Boom. Now let me do the top and the side so you guys can see. Hopefully I got it the right way. If you guys know if I'm doing this right or not, please let me know. Again, I think this is the right way. Correct me if I'm wrong. So again, we're gonna just peel that, then peel all the way right here. I'm gonna put this rubbery thinking. Work the way around. Okay, and the last piece right here on the top. Boom. Should you have like a rag or anything? And push down. Okay, just massage it, enjoy it until it lasts. Because apparently this gasket burns left and right. I don't know. This is the first time you're replacing it. I hope this is gonna be my last time, because I wouldn't even. If someone would have told me that I would do that, I wouldn't believe you guys. Because this is unreal. I don't know what you guys think, but why someone will make a vehicle where you need to replace? You know what I mean? Like, I was driving a 1998 Lincoln Continental and the rubber gasket, and I was driving it like in Utah where it was super hot. Like during summer it's like 110, you know, Fahrenheit, so it was like super hot, and I never ever had to replace my gasket, you know. I don't know what they're made of, but yeah, BMW is like money. So yeah, check it out. This is fresh, new from Ivan's factory. We have buddy. Check it out. Over here it's all good all the way around, so everything is sealed, even though I don't understand the purpose of this gasket, only because if you think about it, this glass here, it's actually glue with like a special window glue that we used on my video where I replaced my rear window on my Geo 450. So yeah, I don't know, maybe this gas is just for look, and if it's for look, then why are we even put it in? I don't know, but so good guys, so good. It's coming along, not gonna lie. So once again guys, make sure you smash the like button because you did it, and make sure you subscribe to my channel if you guys like videos like this, and if you guys want to see the future of this car, because it's a pretty awesome car, I'm not gonna lie. You know, stage 2 pure turbo. I think it's a pure turbo. I think that's the company name. So we should be easily producing 500 to the wheel horsepower. That's gonna be for another video, another day. So thank you so much guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Ciao.